Hey there guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'll be showing you how to use Netflix Dual Audio Trick 2026. The term Netflix Dual Audio Trick usually refers to two different user goals: playing two language subtitle tracks simultaneously, or playing two separate audio streams from the same device to two pair of headphones. Because Netflix does not support this feature natively, you must use a specific software workaround. So the dual subtitle or language trick is, first of all, you have to download the Transy extension for Chrome or Firefox. Then open a Netflix video, add the extension, and the extension will automatically layer your target learning language and your native language simultaneously. Then install the Language Reactor extension on Google Chrome. It displays dual subtitles directly under the player and allows you to hover over unfamiliar words for instant translation. Or what you can do is, for the dual headphone method, you can use the Sound Assistant from the Galaxy Store. Then open the application and select Multi-Sound. Toggle the setting to all apps to enable true system-wide multi-stream audio. Then to watch together, one person can open Netflix in the official app, and the second person can open Netflix inside a mobile web browser. Route one app to the phone speaker or wire jack, and the other to the Bluetooth. And that is how you can use this feature, guys. I hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.